it's not like a normal theatre because they don't use normal language and they involve you, and it's like you can participate with everything.
And I think that participatory aspect of it will be what I think will set it apart from other plays that we've had about climate change in the past.
It's a very sort of different way of sort of talking and communicating about the Arctic and climate change. But what I really liked was the way in which it was set up and connected people in the audience. I'm sure it's made people think about climate change, the Arctic, and also by that connection.